Welcome back to Biswas Dancefloor. My name is Harahari and today I am going to teach you Varun Dhawan's signature step of Rangisari song dance tutorial. If you have not subscribed yet to my YouTube channel, then please subscribe and click the bell icon to be notified of my latest dance tutorial. Let's start. So, guys, the step is starting from right leg. Okay, I will show you step by step. Okay, now let's start. Right leg, kick, and left leg slightly come out. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, let's same step. Left leg kick and right leg back. Or right leg kick, left leg back. Okay. Here is a little twist, so watch carefully. When you kick right leg, your left leg is slightly come on this side. Okay. When you kick left leg, then your right leg is come slightly this side. Okay. Now let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. So you can count 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now, just right leg cross from your cross to your left leg, and left leg is come out and slightly jump. Same left leg cross with right leg and right leg come out and jump. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay. Next step. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. And along with hand. 1, 2. Now I will show you from beginning. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay. Next step. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Hope you have enjoyed this Varun Dhawan signature step of Rangisari song dance tutorial. Then please hit the like button and comment me in the below comment section. Thanks for watching.